মোৰ নাম নীলিমা বেগম মই নলবাৰী জিলাৰ মেৰুৱাত্তাৰী গাঁৱৰ মোৰ ডিঙিৰ বিষ আৰু হাতৰ বিষত ভুগি আছিলোঁ তাৰপিছত মোৰ ল'ৰাটোৱে মোক নাৰায়ণা মেডিকেলত লৈ আহিলে আৰু সুৰভি কলিতা খনিকৰ বাইদেউৰ ওচৰত মই চিকিৎসা কৰি মই বহুতখিনি আৰাম পাইছোঁ
যেতিয়া মই মোৰ মাক নাৰায়ণ হস্পিটেল লৈ আহোঁ তেতিয়া মোৰ মা উঠিব নোৱাৰে নিজে শুব নোৱাৰে হাত এখন দাঙিব নোৱাৰে খুবেই প্ৰব্লেম ফেচ কৰি আছিলে তাৰপিছত সুৰভি মেডাম খনিকৰৰ অবজাৰভেশ্যনত মোৰ মাক তেখেতে চালে এমআৰআই কৰি চালে যে তেখেতৰ নাৰ্ভডাল বেকা হৈ আছে সেইটো কাৰণে অপাৰেশ্যন কৰিব লাগিব চিম্পল অপাৰেশ্যন যে ইনজেকশ্যনৰ দ্বাৰা কিবা অপাৰেশ্যন কৰাৰ কথা ক'লে অপাৰেশ্যনটো কৰিলোঁ অপাৰেশ্যন কৰাৰ পিছত 75% এসপ্তাহৰ ভিতৰতে 75% মান ৰিলিফ পাই গৈছে
So this particular patient we are dealing today is Mrs. Nilima Begum, and she came to me in a very bad state where she had cervical radiculopathy, cervical disc prolapse, and she had sensory loss as well as she had tingling, numbness, and she had paresthesia or altered sensations of her hands and fingers. She also had a bad neck pain, and for which she couldn't sleep at night, nor could she do any of her regular day-to-day activities. Along with that, she had a frozen shoulder, mainly because she is a patient of diabetes. The patient came to me. I thoroughly examined her physically and found out that she is having a combination of both, that is rotator cuff tendinitis plus cervical disc problem or cervical PIVD. So I ordered an MRI for her, and it clinically correlated with my clinical findings. And after that, I thoroughly explained to the patient about the treatment options. So because she did not have any motor problem, that's why we gave her the option of cervical injections or cervical epidural transforaminal injections. So this treatment is very, very effective for cervical radiculopathy or cervical disc prolapse or cervical PIVD. So if I explain it to you in very simple words, this is the neck of the patient, this is the back of the head, and these protrusions you see here are the spinous processes. And if you rotate it and see from the front side, so these are the vertebral bodies, and they are held in place by these cushions or the cervical discs. Now this cervical discs also protects these nerves or the exiting or transmitting nerves which comes out and forms the sensory and motor nerves from the spinal cord. Now as soon as these discs become dehydrated or there is inflammation of the disc, there is some cytokine or there is some chemical mediator release, and also there is inflammation. As a result, these nerve roots get irritated and they become swollen and inflamed. As a result, all these symptoms of tingling, pain, numbness, radiculopathies, motor and sensory problems start. So the procedure what we do is, it's called the cervical transforaminal epidural injection. So we do this procedure in a procedure room in a sterile environment under fluoroscopic guidance, or it is an X-ray, a type of X-ray. So we take the patient in the procedure room and we make the patient lie prone on the bed, and we clean the entire area of the back of the neck with sterile solutions, and we drape the place, and then we'll place some numbing medications on the back of the neck so that the patient does not feel any discomfort or pain during the procedure. Soon after the numbing process is done, we introduce the Tuhi or epidural needle into the space, and through the loss of resistance technique, we navigate the needle into the correct space, which is the epidural space. And usually our port of entry is through the T1 C7 intervertebral space. Now, as soon as we are into the space, we deposit the highest concentration of a potent anti-inflammatory drug into the place, and after that we immediately withdraw the needle and the entire place is sealed with a. The benefits of this procedure is that immediately after the procedure is done, the patient gets relieved within hours, you can say, and the patient usually walks out pain free from the procedure room. For a couple of days we ask the patient to take a rest, and after that the patient can get back to work. Of course, certain precautions and certain physiotherapy which we guide the patient thereafter the procedure is mandatory, but usually after one injection, the 80% of the patients do not need a repeat procedure, while some patients may require a second sitting. So, in short, this is called the cervical epidural injection, and it is a very effective treatment where no side effects at all. Patient did not get admitted. The cost is around 1/3 if you compare that to a surgery, and if necessary it can be also repeated without any hazards to the patient. So I really recommend all the patients who are having neck pain to kindly come to us and get yourself evaluated before deciding on a surgery or before being on painkillers for a very long time, which is very harmful for some of the organs of your body like the kidney. Thank you.